Welcome to the technology-based product review channel. Friends, I always discuss various technology products on my channel. Also, today, I will discuss a new product in front of you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Friends, if you want to order this product or want to know more details about this product, then click on the link given in our description box and learn more details about other COMFEE Portable Washing Machine, compact convenience for small spaces. Description: Welcome to the future of laundry with the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine, your ultimate solution for hassle-free laundry in small spaces. With 0.9 cubic feet of capacity, this compact washer is not just a machine, it's a game-changer for RVs, dorms, apartments, and any space where efficiency meets convenience. Glowing Star Compact and Full Automatic, measuring only 17.7-inch x 18.1 w x 31.5H, this top-load washer is a space-saving marvel. The full automatic operation with 5 wash cycles, heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soap, and 3 water levels put you in control. Customize your washing program by selecting load size, wash time, rinse time, and spin time with a push of a button. Delivery truck portable and easy to move. Need a washing machine that goes where you go? The COMFEE Portable Washer is designed for easy movement with wheels and handles. Store it in your cabinet, RV, dorm, or bathroom with minimal effort. It's ideal for those with limited space and a desire for optimal performance. Eyes transparent lid design. Keep an eye on your laundry with the transparent lid design. Monitor water and washing conditions effortlessly while enjoying the convenience of a durable rust-resistant steel inner tub, lint filter, water inlet, and drain pump. The LED display shows the time left to finish, adding a touch of modernity to your laundry routine. Energy efficient and DOE certified, save energy and the environment with the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. With a DOE certificate showcasing up to 87.5% energy savings compared to similar models, it combines power with efficiency. The powerful yet quiet motor operates at up to 840 RPM spin speed, ensuring your clothes come out clean and fresh. Counterclockwise arrows button auto unbalance detection, AUD, bid farewell to washing machine mishaps. The AUD feature automatically detects and corrects unbalanced issues, preventing your machine from dancing on the floor or leaking. If a problem persists, the machine alerts you for a safe and stress-free laundry experience. Glowing Star Customer Approved, this portable washing machine is a favorite with a stellar 4.3 out of 5-star rating from 1,752 satisfied customers. Rated highly for small spaces, energy efficiency, noise level, and ease of use, it's the go-to choice for those who demand excellence in their laundry appliances. Upgrade your laundry game with the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine, where compact meets convenient, and laundry becomes a breeze. Don't miss out on this modern laundry essential. Order yours now, and experience the revolution in portable laundry.